What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to another episode. For those who are new, my name is Tommy McGrath, and for those who are returning, welcome back. As you can tell by the title and thumbnail, we're going to be doing a mahi catch and cook, and before we obviously get into catch and cook, we need to give some pretense to how we caught these fish. We actually went down to Islamorada, Florida for 10 days. It was more or less a vacation than it was obviously for my normal series. And we took Bud and Mary's, their charter or their marina, out of Islamorada. Truly the best of the best. We went in Scott Stanzik on the Catch 22, caught a bunch of mahi, kings, tuna. So what we're gonna cook today is the mahi. We actually shipped back all the other stuff too with a little bit of surprise species in there. So we'll actually get into that into a different video. But I got Justin coming over, my mom's coming over, and obviously Meg is back there somewhere. So before we get into the catch and cook, let's roll the footage so you guys can see how we caught these fish. Islamorada is always obviously a great time and one of the best places to go to. It's truly a dream vacation, and I'll pop up this post. I won't go into it right now, or maybe into a different video, but truly a vacation I'll never forget for the rest of my life. Just overall a 10 out of 10 vacation. Like I said, it really wasn't about filming and fishing for this trip. It was really just enjoying the family time and having some beers, fishing. So all right, let's get into the footage. Here we go. Is that another king?
Yeah. Look at the other hook hanging out of it.
You go, Dad.
Alright.
Nice one, ain't it?
There you go, grab this one. Grab it, grab it. There you go, grab it. What's up? Move over, guys.
Yeah, that's right here. Mag, you finally got your mahi. Oh yeah. Nice cast. Oh, that scared the f out of me.
Mono too, so we're gonna get one shot. Come over here. Real.
Wow, nice.
Look at where that hook was.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Let me know when you get those weights. What you got on there? Probably a big mutton snapper. We're gonna go eat for it, right? Yeah.
To the weights.
Still there?
Yep.
There's that black cast.
Little month.
Yeah, it's a good one. There we go.
Oh, man.
shakalaka.
Get a plank. Don't get tangled in the line. It happened to a kid a couple weeks ago. Cut his arm clean off. AJ had to jump in and get the kid's arm back. We put in that Yeti full of ice. We took it back to the arena. We put the Yeti on a dock, and our maintenance guy took off with the cooler to sell the cooler. The kid's arm was in it. They caught up to the guy and they arrested him for arm robbery. God, that's brutal.
Do I look dumb with my glasses on?
No. I think you kind of look like a school teacher. I'll see you after class.
Okay, also, when we were in Florida, I really wanted to catch a mahi because I always just thought they're cool. And then we went out to eat, and Tommy had me try mahi for the first time. So then when we did the charter, I really wanted to catch one, and we did. And I was so happy because they're usually not really running at that time, but we got them, and now we're gonna cook them at home. Hopefully Tommy can cook them as good as the restaurant in Florida.
All right, so we have a giant bag of fish. I don't even know what the hell's going on with the plastic, but we did it the wrong way. So before you guys comment and say, what the hell is this? We completely f***ed it up because we didn't know how to ship fish back. Well, the company did it, but you're supposed to call them the same day. We didn't call them the same day. So it was on the bag, so we actually had to thaw all of this. So like I said, giant bag of mahi. I am gonna have to rinse all these fillets off because as you can tell, there's a little bit of blood in this bag and the bowl, but they're all thawed. I'm looking forward to it. I'm gonna do 3 different ways, or I guess 3 different ways to cook it. Probably gonna do like a garlic and herb, Cajun, like kind of like a blackened, like my normal that you guys see all the time. The Cajun, butter, same thing. And then I'm gonna try a special breading that you guys will have to stay tuned to check out.
Were you playing with your friend Marty at daycare? Being a good boy?
All right, we switched up the tray. Matt gave me this wonderful maple leaf or whatever the hell this thing is. All right, wash the fish. All right, so this is the first platter. Absolutely just stacked loaded. I'm gonna go to the second maple leaf, wherever the hell this thing is, and fill this up with the rest of it. All right, so all the fillets are rinsed. Got most of the blood I could get out. Obviously, again, it wasn't packaged correctly, but we didn't know. They vacuum seal it, they individually like slice it out. But we have all of this and all of this for an absolute feast tonight. We're still waiting on Justin to get here, and then we will start cooking. All right guys, for the first fish I'm gonna do the classic Cajun and butter, melt the butter down, and then I'm gonna put a small layer of Cajun seasoning down, and then I will start with the first plate, and then move on to the second one.
Well, there's things I cannot smell.
It's not natural.
No.
Yeah, I know.
It's a diesel that I think, okay, I told myself I'm going to eat it. I've never been that confident.
Yeah.
Like I said, the Sudan always helped me, but this was like, and so, and you had a target out there.
Hey buddy. God.
Thank you.
Did you try it?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Very, very good. It's perfect.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Solid?
yeah, very solid. I love it.
Really good.
Mag? Cut from the channel.
I know.
All right, what's your rating, Mag?
9.32.
What the hell, Mom?
I'm going 10.
10.
All right, we'll go for the next one. The next one, we're gonna do the lemon butter garlic. All right guys, next fillets. The first plate, absolutely demolished. I don't know if I can beat that one, but we're gonna try it. So I'm gonna season these.
What are we gonna do when we don't have any of this?
Mom,
I'm gonna go this is a 10.5.
you like this one better than the last one?
I do. Well, I don't know, that's hard.
All right, this one was just butter and then this seasoning. Justin, what do you think?
I'm gonna go 10 on this one as well. I like it just as equally as the other one. It's really good.
Which one would you have to choose though?
Probably this one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nine? Jesus.
It's a 10.
Which one do you like better?
I like this one.
What the?
It's hard.
All right, guys, so we've cooked 2 so far. We've done the Cajun, which I'm out of, and then we did the lemon butter garlic. So far, everyone's favorite so far is the Cajun, and that's my favorite as well. So just kind of had a little bit more oomph to it, as Meg kind of ruined the last clip because she started laughing. But the last one, I'm gonna make a mixture of egg, milk, and then I'm gonna crush up these hot Cheetos for a breading. And then we're gonna do some of this with this one, and then I'll probably do the rest of it with just the normal Cajun that we had the first time. So I want to try this out. I did it with bluegill a long time ago. I thought it was pretty good. So far, the first 2 though, absolutely amazing. The butter, the garlic, the Cajun, just all of it combined is absolutely perfect. So I'm gonna melt this butter down, crush up the Cheetos, make a mixture, and we'll get on with the next one. This is definitely the one I'm most excited for, only because me and Justin, we love hot food. Everything has to have spice, spicy sauce, whatever, jalapenos. Justin, ghost peppers being even more insane. But when you kind of cook this stuff, it really doesn't come out too hot. You kind of cook off almost like the hot Cheeto, like the hotness of it. Sam. Can I even fit all this in the pan? Oh, look at that one. And then we got a nice big mess right here, all for Meg to clean up. These look unreal. A Cheeto Deluxe. All right, Justin's already devouring. Thoughts?
To be honest, I'm not so sure I can taste the Cheetos.
It kind of does fry off.
Yeah.
Does it have a good crunch to it though?
It does, yeah. I give this one an 8.
An 8?
Yeah. I'll give it an 8.
She's gonna puke. You guys don't like this one, Mom?
No, it's okay. It's just, I don't.
That is fucking disgusting.
I like the other 2 better. That's it.
Okay, guess nothing from you?
I just can't taste the Cheetos.
Yeah.
And there's not much spice. Kind of just tastes like I'm eating just crunchy fish.
Yeah.
If I could taste the Cheetos more, I think I'd like it more.
Guys, I like the crunch to it. I don't know, I'm a fan of hot Cheetos, and I've done this before. I like it. I do agree, Justin, it is hard to taste the Cheetos, but you still get like that kick at the end. I don't know, I think it's pretty good. I definitely think I could have used some seasoning though. You can taste a lot of the fish. All right, so we cooked the rest of it. This was just done in SPG and then the lemon garlic butter. I honestly had high hopes as well for the hot Cheetos. I thought it was gonna be a lot better. I think I dropped the ball though by not seasoning the fish like I did the other one. Even like a sprinkle of like the lemon garlic butter with the hot Cheeto, I think would have been a lot better. Just the fishy taste really came out with just doing the hot Cheeto because there was, again, no seasoning besides the hot Cheeto. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I wanted to try and make this Keys video into somewhat of a video, and I figured this would be the best possible ways, making it a catch and cook. We cooked it 3 different ways. My favorite being the Cajun, second being the lemon butter garlic, and the third being the hot Cheeto, only because I did not season it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it. I figured to have Justin over, have my mom, because we had so much. Probably about 5 pounds of mahi, maybe a little bit more if I had to guess. We still have leftover mahi, so like I said, I highly recommend trying the first 2. The third one, if you're gonna do it, just make sure you season it. It's definitely not the same as I did it with the bluegill, but like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys are not, and I will see you guys next week.